Hi guys, and welcome back to a video, and today in this video I'll be showing you something that's weird. See how water is not meant to be ice. Like,
get it into your bag.
You end up losing it.
it's ice.
Right.
That's the stuff
It's
I'm
ice.
Right.
We put it in a fridge for over, see, about a week. And there was ice. Not even our fridge does that.
Right. Well, that's all we can have.
Oh, it's bubbling.
There's not a lot more place to go, Wendy, is there? Are the drawers full?
This is epic.
full, but
I wish somebody had this knife and I'd start stabbing into it.
Aye.
for the next few days.
What's inside
Aye,
ice?
there's
Let's
not a lot
see.
there, but you know what I mean?
Hopefully that stuff can
Wow,
be.
ice is just water.
But remember, one of the bags, that'll probably be full of shoes, probably.
Aye, the hold on ones.
Right, so this
No.
is mental.
We've got 4
No, the hold on
cases.
ones, the
Very,
cabin
very,
ones.
very,
No,
very, very.
that's a whole bag.
Right, that's a whole bag.
So,
Right, want me to
toiletries,
One
That's
minute,
it,
we can't
bubbling.
put toiletries in it. But I'll need to go in one of the bags right enough.
toiletries and shoes.
But what have we got left to fill? We've got
Right,
this
so
big
yeah.
cage
That
full
one.
left to fill. So I could probably fill another hold.